Hello guys. Today in this video, we will see how to create logo with free AI Logo Maker. So let's get started. I am Jack from Educational Alliance, so come to the computer screen where we will do step by step to create logo with free AI Logo Maker. Okay, now we are at Chrome browser. Just click it here. And write ideogram and click enter button. All the Google results will be showing it here. Just click on this first link to create logo. You will be landing at this page. Now click a button sign up with Google. After sign up, just tick mark it here and press button continue. Now enter your name it here. So I am writing name it here. And click on button complete registration. We will be landing it here. This is the dashboard, where you will find a lot of stuff not for only logo making but for many others categories. So just scroll down and you see there is many images and templates are available at here to use free of cost. You can select as per your choice. Okay. So to create logo, I am writing prompt for my logo at here. Then select the category in which you want your logo. Then mark the ratio for logo and click on generate button at here. It will take few seconds. As you see, some logos are created as per given prompt. You can get more prompt for creating professional logo from ChatGPT. So to get more prompts, open new tab and write it here ChatGPT. Now go with this first link by click on it. Click on sign up to create account on ChatGPT. Then click on continue with Google. And select the Gmail account. As you see, name is entered automatically. Now enter date of birth in this field. And click on agree. Now enter the command to create prompts for making of logo at here. So I am entering command at here. Then click enter. As you see, ChatGPT has creates a lot of new prompts at here. We can use it as per choice. So I am selecting one from these prompts. Just copy it. And then paste it here. Then select category, ratio of logo and click on generate. It will take some time. Okay, as you see, logo has been generated as per given prompts. You can do that same to create more logo as per your prompt. Then select the best one which you like. To download this logo, just click on it and then click on this little arrow. Your logo will be downloaded into your computer. That's it guys. As you see how it is easy to create logo within a minute without any skills. If you love this tutorial, then please comments below. Thanks for watching this video.